let's say you are new to sewing. One question that might come to your mind is, where do you actually buy stuffs, materials that you need for your sewing project? It could be sewing materials itself, it could be fabrics. Question might be there because I also had this question when I started sewing many years ago. I had problems getting a place where I could just lay my hands on everything I needed. It could be elastic, it could be zippers, it could be tailor's chalk, it could be thread. This might be a little bit challenging if you don't have access to this information, but then in this video I'm going to be giving you a tip or two to guide you on where you can possibly get materials for your sewing project. First place you can possibly think of is eBay. Yes, it might be daunting. You might need to be patient to look through a lot of listings because eBay typically has a lot of listings in every category. So if you want to buy a thread, for example, you're going to get a lot of sellers selling the same kind of thread. So yes, you might not be able to tell the quality from face value, but patience is needed here because you need to really read through the descriptions and you need to see what the sellers are offering. Of course, you have to be able to also compare prices so that you don't end up buying from a seller that is offering the item at a very high price. Basically, you have to be patient, look through the listings, try to read through exactly what the seller is offering. If you're looking at buying fabric, is it 100% cotton? Is it 80% cotton, 20% polyester? Be patient to look through this description, not just seeing the item, seeing the listing, and because the color matches what you are trying to go for and you just go ahead and buy it. The fabric might be delivered and then you don't like the quality, so take some time, read through the product description, and then when you see that it meets your need in every way in terms of quality, in terms of color, in terms of the type of material, then you can go ahead to buy this. This is just about fabric. The same applies to tailoring materials. If you are looking at buying a tailor's chalk or a tailor's pen, or you're looking at buying pins or stuff like that, just generally look through the listings on eBay and then see if it matches what you are trying to get, and if it does, go ahead and see if the price also matches. Another thing that you can also pay attention to is the delivery time, because sometimes there are sellers that offer items with very bad delivery times, talking about an item getting to you 1 week after ordering it. This is not exactly what you want to buy. If you're looking at a listing and you get a product that will be delivered in like 2 or 3 days, up to 4 days, this is pretty much standard when it comes to buying online. But when an item needs to be delivered like